Hi, I'm Christy Laughlin, Educational Consultant for the Indiana Resource Center for Autism. Today we're going to talk about fidgets. Oftentimes we have students in our classrooms who just can't quite sit still, or they can't really pay attention unless they're moving with something. So we're going to talk about the use of fidgets in the classroom. It's easy to create a fidget box for your classroom, and it's very inexpensive. This is just a Ziploc container. And then in that container, we have various objects. Here's a squeeze ball. This is a tangle toy that we purchased. This is just wooden blocks, or wooden balls, on a elastic that you can put together and twist. Here's another squeeze thing that you can use. We have things like a pipe cleaner, a rubber band, all kinds of things. The pipe cleaner is really one of my favorites. The reason being is that it's soft, so it has lots of texture. You can bend it into various shapes. You really can't throw it very far like you could if you had actually a squeeze ball, and it really doesn't harm anyone. But I find this to be very useful when someone is trying to fidget. Now, the thing about fidget toys is that we do have to have rules in the classroom about fidgets and how we use them. On the website for the Indiana Resource Center, you will find a social narrative that talks about fidgets and what they are in the Fidget Rules. It talks about that a fidget's a small object that keeps your hands busy so that you can pay attention to the teacher. Sometimes the fidgets can help you listen better during class. But then it also talks about how are you supposed to use a fidget, how you're not supposed to throw it, and all the rules that you need for using a fidget. What I find is that when we introduce a fidget box into a classroom, usually everybody in the classroom the first week or two wants to try a fidget. And it gets a lot of attention. But after that, really only the students who need a fidget, who require one, are the ones who use it. And everybody else really ignores it because they know that they don't need it. So I hope this has helped you, and I hope that you will create a fidget box for your student. It's simple, it's easy, and it doesn't cost a lot, but it will help you in the classroom. Thank you, and happy fidgeting.